ASEAN Next has established itself as an important platform for advancing science, technology and innovation across our region. This year's theme, the role of infrastructure technology and innovation in successful manufacturing.
The forum served as a platform in SDI for policymakers, researchers, and private sectors to foster collaborations and knowledge sharing.
非常荣幸应邀出席由柬埔寨工业科技创业部主办的东盟未来2025论坛，并受中国科技部国际合作司委托，代表中方在开幕式上致辞。
When we speak of infrastructure, we must think beyond the traditional. While roads, port, and reliable energy consider our hard infrastructures, will always remain essential arteries of commerce. In today's world, they are no longer sufficient on their own.
have witnessed over the past 2 days is more than just a conference. It is a demonstration of ASEAN's collective will to lead in the next era of manufacturing.
My deep appreciation to all guests to ASEAN Secretariat, our moderator, speaker, and dedicated organizing team who work tireless behind the scene.